Good morning, children. Our today's topic is volume. What is volume? The volume of a solid is the amount of space it occupies. That means the solid, it is occupying how much space. That is called its volume. So today we are going to study the volume of cube and cuboid. Okay, as you can see, cube is made up of 6 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Right? So this cube is made up of equal 6 squares. This is the length, breadth and height of cube. Let's take length as a side as it is made up of square. And breadth and height is also as a side, because in a square all the sides are of equal length. So volume will be considered as length multiplied by breadth and multiplied by height. So volume of a cube will be length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. So as length, breadth and height is equal to side, so it is become side multiplied by side multiplied by side. That is side cube. Or we can write it in the terms of units. If side is of 1 centimeter, so unit of the volume will become centimeter cube. We can write it as cubic centimeter also. If I will take it in meter or kilometer, it will become kilometer cube or meter cube. Or I can write it as cubic kilometer or cubic meter. Okay. So now we will see the volume of cuboid. In the cuboid, as cuboid is made up of rectangle. This is the rectangle. Okay, so this is the length, breadth and height. So if we will consider the volume of cuboid, it will become length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. So let's take the volume of a cuboid. So volume of a cuboid is length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. Again, here we are taking it in centimeter, then unit will become either centimeter cube, either meter cube or kilometer cube. And we can write it as cubic centimeter, cubic meter or cubic kilometer. As we have seen the volume of these regular shapes or closed figures, now we will see the volume of irregular shape. As you can see, this is an irregular object. Okay, so what I have taken a cylinder, measuring cylinder, and I have filled this with water at 100 ml. Fine. Then I will, in this measuring cylinder, I will put this stone. Fine. When I put this stone into this measuring cylinder, the water level rises up till 150 centimeter. Okay, children. So what will be the volume of the stone? As the reading was 100 cubic centimeter before throwing this stone into the water, and the new reading is 150 cubic centimeter. So the volume of the stone, the new volume of the stone will be 150 minus 100, that is 50 centimeter cube. So here the volume of stone will be 150 minus 100 cubic centimeter, that is 50 cubic centimeter. Here also we can see a pebble is put into the water when the previous volume was 100 cubic centimeter. After putting this pebble into the water, the new reading is 120 cubic centimeter. So the volume of this pebble will be 120 minus 100, that is 20 cubic centimeter. Okay, children? So like this we can find out the volume of irregular different shapes. So let's understand it with an example. The question is, a block of a wood in the shape of a cuboid has length 2 meter, breadth 1 meter and height 2 meter. So how many cubical blocks each of the edge 40 centimeter can be cut from it? So this is the cuboidal block of wood, out of which we have to cut the cubical blocks with the edge 40 centimeter. The dimension of this cuboidal block of wood is 2 meter, 1 meter and 2 meter. That is the length, breadth and height. Okay. So as you know that all the dimensions should be in the same unit. It is in meter and it is in centimeter. So I will convert it into meter first. Fine. So as you know, 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. Fine. I have to convert this 40 centimeter. So this 40 will be divided by 100. So I will get 0.4 meter. Because 1 centimeter will become 1 upon 100 meter. Right? So if I want to convert 40 centimeter into meter, I have to divide it by 100. So it converts into meter. Fine. Now I will find the volume of cuboidal block. Cuboidal block, the volume of cuboid is LBH, that is become 4 meter cube. Now we will find out the volume of this cubical box. So the volume of cubical box will be, as you know, edge multiply by edge multiply by edge, or side multiply by side multiply by side, and the side is 0.4 meter. So I'll write here 0.4 multiply by 0.4 multiply by 0.4. So children, 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. Okay. Before 3 numbers, the point has to be there. So there are 2 numbers. I'll put a 0 over here and I'll put decimal over here. So my answer is 0.064 meter cube. Now, this is the volume of cuboidal block and this is the volume of cubical box. I have to find out the number of the blocks which I can cut from it. So simply to find out the number of cubical boxes, what I have to do? I have to divide the volume of cuboidal box by the volume of cubical box. Okay. So the volume of cuboidal box is 4 meter cube. And the volume of cubical box is 0.064 meter cube. Now I can divide it. I will remove this decimal. So here I can write 1000 because after the decimal 3 numbers are there. I can cut meter by meter. I can cut the 64 by 4. So 16 4s are 64. Now I got 1000 divided by 16. So when I divide it, I get the answer 62.5. So in round off, I can write 63 over here. Okay. Okay. That means 63 cubical boxes can be cut from this cuboidal wooden block. So I can write over here 63 cubical boxes can be cut. So children, the topic volume is clear to you. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.